Google Search Console is a powerful tool that allows you to monitor and optimize your website's performance in Google search results. It provides valuable insights into how Google sees your site and helps you understand how users find you on the web. It enables you to track key performance metrics, fix indexing issues, and maintain your website's overall health. To get started with Google Search Console, first sign in with your Google account at the website search.google.com/Search Console. Next, click on the Add Property button to begin the setup process. During setup, you will need to choose between a domain or a URL prefix property type. Finally, complete the verification process to prove that you own the website. When setting up Google Search Console, you'll need to choose between two property types: domain and URL prefix. A domain property monitors all subdomains and protocols associated with your domain name, such as example.com and all of its subdomains. It requires DNS verification but provides comprehensive data coverage. On the other hand, a URL prefix property monitors only a specific URL prefix, like https://www at example.com/. It allows for multiple verification methods, but is limited to the specific protocol and subdomain that you set up. To verify your website with Google Search Console, you have several options. One method is the HTML tag method, which involves adding a meta tag to your site's homepage within the head section. Another method is the DNS record method, which requires adding a text record to your domain's DNS configuration. You can also use your existing Google Analytics property to verify ownership. Finally, you have the option to upload an HTML verification file to your server's root directory. The performance report in Google Search Console provides key metrics about your website's visibility in Google search results. Total clicks is the number of times users click through to your site from Google search results. Total impressions tells you how many times your site appeared in Google search results. Average click-through rate is the percentage of impressions that resulted in a click to your website. Average position refers to the average ranking position of your site for search queries. The Search Results and Click Analysis section allows you to view your website's top-performing search queries. This provides a table that shows each query along with its associated clicks, click-through rate, and average position on the search engine results page. You can also see a visual representation of your site's performance trends over time, showing clicks and impressions on a graph. The Index Coverage Status Report provides an overview of the number of your website's pages that Google has indexed. Valid pages refers to the pages that have been successfully indexed by Google. Error pages are the pages that could not be indexed, for reasons such as page not found errors, server errors, or redirect problems. Warnings are for pages that have potential issues such as duplicate content, low word count, or missing meta descriptions. Excluded pages are pages that have been intentionally not indexed, due to reasons like no index tag, robots.txt blockage, or canonical tag to a different page. The Mobile Usability Report in Google Search Console highlights common mobile issues that might affect your site's performance. These issues include the viewport not being set, which prevents proper mobile rendering. Content wider than the screen, which requires horizontal scrolling to view content on mobile devices. Clickable elements being too close together, making it difficult to interact with on mobile. And text that is too small for comfortable mobile reading. The Mobile Usability Report also includes a mobile preview of your page. Core Web Vitals are a set of metrics that Google uses to evaluate the user experience of your website. Largest Contentful Paint, or LCP, measures loading performance and the time it takes for the largest content element to become visible. First Input Delay, or FID, measures interactivity and the time from a user's first interaction to the browser's response. Cumulative Layout Shift, or CLS, measures visual stability and the sum of all layout shift scores during the page lifecycle. Each of these metrics have defined target goals for good, needs improvement, and poor performance, and Google reports this directly. The URL inspection tool in Google Search Console allows you to test any URL on your site to see how Google views and crawls it. You can use it to check the index status of a page, verifying if a page is indexed and see its current indexing state. It also allows you to check mobile usability, verifying if your page passes mobile usability requirements. Additionally, you can view performance data, including page load metrics and core web vitals data. The tool provides a detailed view of the status of your site's pages. In the user interface, you enter the URL and it provides crawl, indexing, and usability details for the given page. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.